agenda, okay, which is generating image and video using ChatGPT. Are we all together?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
If you're going to generate a realistic image using any of these AI, let's say for example ChatGPT, okay. So just the same way you gave it a good prompting, you need to go into details of what you want the AI to do. Let me create a high fashion advertisement photo of a beautiful South Asian woman with long wavy dark hair, blah blah blah. She's holding a perfume called this and that. Let's see the result of this prompt. Let's just see what it's going to give us. All right, can you see?
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
this is the result of the prompt. Okay, so I told you to create a high fashion advertisement of a beautiful Asian woman. Can you see how realistic the image is? Okay, this is the result. This is the work of the DAL-E software. It is called DAL-E. So the DAL-E is a software that was plugged in into ChatGPT to create images. Okay, so can you see the result of it and all that? Okay, now so this is the link here, aistudio.google.com. So that's how you can access Nano Banana. So if you're here already, it's going to ask you to sign in. Okay, then you can click on try Nano Banana. All right, so let's try something. I have some pictures that I downloaded already, so we're going to try and use them. My network is a bit slow. Okay, so we're using Nano Banana. All right. Okay, fine. So it's ready to use Nano Banana for us. So the first thing you might want to do is upload your own image. Okay, so let me upload an image from my computer. Let's say from who are these people? Okay, let me use this lady's image. All right. So now let me come to my chat GPT, to that prompt that I used for this. I'm copying the prompt and I'm going to tweak the prompt a bit. Are we all together?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I want to tweak this prompt a bit. Okay. Let's say I'm thinking of how to structure this. Okay, you can say use the attached image as base. Okay, use the attached image as base. Face remains unchanged. Face remain unchanged. Create a high fashion advertisement photo. I'm coming. Create a high fashion advertisement photo of, let me say, the subject. So the subject here would be this image that I attached. Do you all understand me? So I first of all told you to use the attached image as base. The
Yes.
face should remain unchanged. Don't change the face for me, because if you do not tell it face remains unchanged, it's going to generate another face for me. So I say use the attached image as base. The face should remain unchanged. Create a high fashion advertisement photo of the subject with long wavy dark brown, glowing tan skin, sharp brown eye, and deep maroon lipstick, staring intensely, blah 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 blah. She's wearing a silky gold, whatever, whatever. She holds a golden perfume bottle, and the background is soft gradient of muted purple and brown tones. Style is a luxurious perfume ad, apparently with flawless details. Let's see what this thing is going to generate for us. Let's try it and see. Okay, can you see now? Can you all see?
Yes.
Now it has generated an image. It has generated an image for me using the picture that I uploaded. Can you see that this same image was generated with ChatGPT with an Asian woman? But when I uploaded my own picture of this beautiful lady, to the Google AI Studio, and I now told it that use this lady's face, don't change the lady's face with the same prompt that I used to generate this. Can you see the result? Now, this lady is now holding a perfume. So you can also hold your own product. Okay, you can hold your product like an advertisement without even doing a photo shoot,
Wow.
without going to the
Nice
studio
one.
to do anything. So you just upload your fine picture, tell your picture to hold your product, and it's going to be as if someone took a studio picture of you holding your own product. So if you're selling a perfume, you're selling clothes, you're selling whatever, you can generate realistic images like this. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah,
Wow.
it is. You Yeah.
Mm.
can
now
generate
now
multiple pieces of stuff.
Yeah, yeah. So you can do a lot of things with this. Now, I don't want to do more things, okay? I'm still going to do more things as far as image generation is concerned. I'm going to give you some creative images you can do without even racking your brain to write the prompt. So you can write a prompt from your brain, okay? Your own is to just understand what you want to do. I'll give you the concept of how to write a prompt with your brain and how to even generate a prompt, okay? I'm going to give you all those things for free. I'll give Let's try something else. Okay. Okay. Let me try to create a portrait with this picture. Okay. Let's re-upload that picture that we uploaded before. Um, so let's see. Okay. Let's use this lady instead. Okay. Can you see the picture I uploaded?
Yes,
Okay.
I
Now
can
we
see.
want to change this picture into, want to change this picture into a professional portrait, for example. Into a professional portrait. Okay, so that it looks like a LinkedIn profile picture, something like that. So let's use something like this. You say use the um, uploaded selfie as base. Okay, remember to always put this. Okay, use the uploaded picture or use the uploaded selfie as base. You tell it to keep the face intact. Can you see what I'm telling this thing? Can you see how I'm breaking it down for it? Are we
Yes.
all together? Yeah. So
Yes.
I
Yes.
told it
Yes.
use the uploaded picture as a base. Keep the face intact. Okay. Now let's tell you what to do now. Adjust the outfit. So let's say a navy blazer. Okay. You know what a navy blazer is now? Like a suit, a blazer suit, navy color.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
adjust the outfit to a navy blazer. Let's tell it to replace the background. Replace the background with a clean studio gray background. Okay, so this, but okay, it is having something like a studio gray. Let's tell it to replace the background with a clean. Which background can go with a navy color? Let me see. Which background can go with a navy color? Okay, let's use gray. It's a clean studio gray background, and let's tell it to use a LinkedIn style. Style should be LinkedIn. It should be a LinkedIn professional headshot. Are we together? Tell it to have a sharp focus. Okay. So now let's take a look at the prompt again. I said use the uploaded selfie or use the uploaded image as base. Keep the face intact. Now we want it to adjust the outfit to a navy blazer. Replace the background with a clean studio gray. Style should be a LinkedIn professional headshot and let it be a sharp focus so that the camera is going to be sharp. Now you will see how this Nano Banana will turn this lady, with this her outfit into a professional headshot. Can you see now? Can you all see?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Wow.
now the image of the lady wearing that open body clothes, okay, has turned into a professional somebody, wearing a suit. So you can use Nano Banana to do a whole lot of things like this. Okay. Now there is something you should take note. The way the image you upload, the way it looks like, is the way the outcome of your generated image is going to look like.
Mm.
And yeah, for example, if the picture you upload is facing a sideway, okay, let me look for an image of someone facing sideways. Let me first of all copy this prompt, okay, so I won't have to write it again. So let me upload an image of someone that is facing sideways. I think I have someone facing sideways on my this thing. Okay, let's look at this person for example. So let's allow it to upload. Are we all together?
Yes.
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 I think somebody say
Okay.
you choose a man, not
Yes.
woman this time.
But I should choose a man. Oh, sorry, I don't have a man's this thing. I'll download a man something now. So let's run it. Okay, let's just run it. Don't worry. If you want to sample your own, you can use a man. Then we'll see how it looks like. So now you see that the image I uploaded, this second image is facing sideways, kind of. So the output is not going to face the camera like this. The output would also be someone wearing a blazer suit, but facing sideways. So let's see how it comes out. So the way can you
Yes.
all see?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Wrong.
Okay, so you see that this image is facing sideways because the original image was actually looking sideways. Can you see? So the generated image is also facing sideways.
Yes.
So another thing you should take note is how realistic the something is. It is so real that if the face of the person did not change, can you see? The face did not change. In fact, it's looking as if it's the same person, wearing another clothes. So that's how realistic Nano Banana is, and that's the difference between Nano Banana and GPT-E. Are we all together?
Yes. So
Yes.
it's the Nano Banana Google Studio you can use to do all those things.
Yeah, you can access Nano Banana either through AI Google
No.
Studio, or you can access it directly from Gemini. So if you open your gemini.google.com, so you can access your Nano Banana directly from here also. But I prefer to use it inside Google AI Studio because it gives you more capabilities to generate more pictures. Okay, so you see,
Okay.
if you're using it inside Google Gemini, you can just click on create image. So automatically you see that it's showing a banana icon.
Okay.
So it's going to use a Nano Banana directly. But if you want to use it from Google Studio also, it is good. Okay, let me try it directly from Gemini. Okay, so let's say, let me upload that image. Let me use Gemini, for example. Um, let me use, uh, okay, let me use this image, which is my own image, standing with somebody else. Okay, or let me use two different images so that you see how it works. You can use two different images. For example, let's say this person and no, no, I don't want to use that person. Let's say this person here and this person. Okay, let me say these two people. Okay, so we have two pictures there. All right. So we can tell Nano Banana that these two people, we can say they um, they stand facing each other. Okay, they stand facing each other, probably on a white backdrop. Okay, now all of this prompt that I'm writing, you can actually generate this prompt, using your ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate all these prompts for you. So without you thinking of how to write a prompt, okay, ChatGPT can easily generate prompts for you, and we're going to take a look at that at a later time. So let's say they stand facing each other on a white backdrop, let's say presented.
Sorry, your image, you are not showing us your screen.
Are you sure? My screen, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, it's back.
Okay. So I'm trying to do this from Gemini directly. So they stand facing each other on a white backdrop, presented from let's say from a bird's eye view. So we want a camera that is coming from up. Okay, we want to set the angle of the camera from up. It should not be the usual camera that comes from directly into your face. So now the camera is coming from a bird's eye view. Okay, against a simple white background. Okay, let's say natural light creates a textured effect. And it should be a photographic style. Let me spell my graphic well. A photographic style photography. And they are both looking at the camera. All right. So these two pictures here now, they don't know each other, but now we want them to stand facing each other on a white backdrop, and the camera is coming from a bird's eye view against the white background. So the background is going to be white. There is a natural light that is going to show their shadow. Okay. Then it's going to be a photographic style photography, and the two of them are both looking at the camera. Let's see what our Nano Banana here is going to generate for us. Can you see? Can you all see?
Yes.
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 Can you see how realistic this is?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes.
see how beautiful it is? So these two people, in fact, is even showing their legs, okay, and their stomachs. Meanwhile, I only uploaded a headshot of both of them. Can you see? Now the two of them are standing facing each other, looking at the camera hub with a white background, whatever, and that is how beautiful